Hello guys, this is RealMotion Pro quick test number 2. So here, let's say I'm going to load animation to my character here. So I'm going to load this animation to my character. So I'll start my rig here and I'm going to select my rig, choose this auto rig and load the animation. Good, now I have this animation playing here. Okay, so I have this animation on my character and I want to load animation taking cover, but when I search on here I don't have that animation on my list. Okay, but I have it on my target here, but I have it here. Okay, I want to load taking cover animation to follow this one, but I don't have it in my animation library. I have it on here. So what I can do is, if you don't want to reset your animation, maybe you have so many animation on a timeline and you want to retarget and save into your library so you can load into your character here, what you can do is you can just open another new blender scene here like this. Okay, open another new blender scene, and this one you can use any auto rig character. And now let's go to the retargeting and I'm going to search for the cover. Okay, I want to search for the cover, this one, and I'm going to import it here. Okay, so I'm going to set that one as my source and set my character to as a target. Okay, and I go to this animation here and I go to auto rig and I go to auto rig. Let me delete the search. I don't have that taking cover animation here. All I have is idle, sitting and sneaking forward. I don't have it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the animation into my library using another blender, and then after that it will appear here and I'll load into my character. So here, after I have imported this one, and I'm going to set the source and the target. So what I'm going to do is click on fetch list and set your root bone, and after that just click on bind constraint, and now we have this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on bake. Good, now it has finished baking. I can select this and delete it, and now we have the animation on our auto rig character. Now I'm going to save this one into my library. So what I will do is I'll go to custom library, and now let's go to top sheet. Let's go to the action editor, and here we have taken cover big. Okay, this is the action we need to save. So I'm going to copy the name and I'll go to the action. I'm going to select it, and this is the action I want to export, taking cover. So I'm going to use name. I want to save this, so I want to save it as taking cover 1. Okay, I can type 1 in front of it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to viewport and use viewport rendering, and I'm going to use this one to save into the library. So I'm going to choose the render results and click on export. Make sure you have saved this scene first. So good, now we have finished exporting this one into our library. So now let's go to this blender scene here. So just go to auto rig category, and now it hasn't appeared yet. Just click on refresh, and now we can see the list has been refreshed. So now we have it here called taking cover 1. So this is the one we see, taking cover 1. I can just click and load this animation, but right now we don't have the preview. When I click on preview, say this action does not have preview. What I can do is I just can go back and click on add preview. Okay, let me set the camera, and the camera will follow the character everywhere. I want to set the start and the end. It ends on frame 70. I can just end on 30, just small preview, but here I'm going to end on 70, and I'm going to click on render preview. Now I finished. Let me go back here, and now when I click on preview, it will start loading the preview and I'll see it here. Okay, so now I can see the preview here. Now I can just click on load animation, and this will going to load to my character. So I'm going to click on record, so it's continue from where it ends. So let me play it and see what we have. Good, so this is what we have, but we have some big jump here. So what I'm going to do is let me go to this, and I can see the leg is clipping to this ground. So what I'm going to do is I'll select the character and go to the location, and I'm going to position it up small, and now it's going to be on the ground. But we have big jump here. So what I will do is I'll go to frame 38 where the taking cover starts. Okay, and let's go to pose mode, select all your bones. Let's go to blending, and here I'm going to use the 5 frames to blend. So now let's see what we have, and the character will turn smooth and blend, but we have some this rotation on here. Okay, this is called by the gimbal rotation. So what I'm going to do is, let's go to post mode, select all your character bones, and let's go to gimbal rotation, fit gimbal rotation, and just click on apply filter, and now let's preview. So now it looks smooth. So we have taking cover, so there is cover to stand, and now taking cover. So this is how to add multiple animation from baking to load into your character. So here you don't need to use the same scene. Okay, you can just open the same Blender version, save into your library. After that, you can just use that version and then continue your working.